Poppy makes music. Singing and playing Do You Want to Build a Snowman from the movie Frozen. Elsa? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come on the door, it's like you're gone away. We used to be best buddies, now not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman?
It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, oh no. Okay, bye. Do you want to build a snowman? Ride a bike across the hall. Think some company's overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the wall. Hang in there, Joe. It gets a little lonely, this empty room, watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People ask me where you've been. They say I've courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you want to build a snowman? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more uke videos, DIY videos, baking videos, or free printables. Please also check out my blog, poppymakesdiy.blogspot.com. If you have any song requests or ideas, please let me know in the comments down below, or let me know on any of my social media. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And here are some of my other videos you might like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.